Hello and hi friends, all of you are most welcome in your loving one-person family. I'm your soul friend, Tales and Twist. Come on guys with me and start to make a new idol. Later I will carry you soon in a journey of new story. Never give up. To now, let's go! In a quaint village surrounded by rolling hills lived an elderly craftsman named James. Renowned for his exquisite wooden carvings, James had a small shop where he created beautiful pieces that people from far and wide would come to admire and buy. His hands, though wrinkled and scarred from years of hard work, they were still as steady as ever. James had a young apprentice named Harry, a boy with an eager heart and a bright smile. Harry dreamed of becoming as skilled as James, but he often found himself struggling. His carving lacked the finesse and precision that James' piece had, and this made Harry doubt his abilities. One day, after yet another failed attempt, Harry sat desperately in the workshop, his head in his hands. "I will never be as good as you, Master James," he said, his voice tinged with frustration. "Maybe I am just not meant for this." James walked over and placed his comforting hand on Harry's shoulder. "Every master was once an apprentice, my boy," he said gently. "Let me tell you a story. Many years ago, when James was just a young man, he too had a dream. He wanted to create a magnificent wooden statue that would be the pride of his village. For months he worked tirelessly and pouring all his skill and effort into the piece. But no matter how hard he tried, something always went wrong. The wood would splinter and the details would be off, or a single mistake would ruin days of work. Disheartened, James was on the verge of giving up. But one evening his father, an old carpenter, sat him down and said, "My son, the wood is only as strong as the hands that shape it. If you give up now, you will never know the true strength of your hands." Encouraged by his father's words, James decided to persevere. He learned from each mistake and refining his techniques and understanding the wood's nuances. After many failed attempts and countless hours of hard work, he finally completed the statue. It was a masterpiece, a testament to his tenacity and skill. Harry listened intently, absorbing every word. James continued, "The path to mastery is paved with failures, but it is your determination and willingness to keep going that will lead you to success. Never give up, Harry. Your hands will find their strength." Inspired by James' story, Harry decided to give it another try. He returned to his carving with renewed vigor, embracing each mistake as a learning opportunity rather than a setback. Days turned into weeks and weeks into months. Gradually, Harry's skill improved and his carving began to show the delicate precision and artistry that James' work was known for. One day, Harry completed a beautiful wooden sculpture, a piece that mirrored the craftsmanship of his mentor. James beamed with pride as he examined Harry's work. "You see, Harry," he said, "the strength of your hands lies in your heart's determination. Never give up and you can achieve anything." In last moral of the story is, the story of James and Harry teaches us that perseverance and determination are the key overcoming of challenges and achieving our dreams. Failure is not the end, but a stepping stone to the success. By never giving up, we grow stronger, wiser, and more capable of reaching our goals. No matter how difficult the journey, the power to succeed lies within our hands and hearts. With a smile, I will say all of you, I love you, goodbye, good luck. I'm your soul friend, Tales and Twist.
Thought that you should know I've been going solo. Want my love, baby, earn it. Yeah, dancing on my own. See if you can follow. Got me feeling alive.